In this ClickFunnels tutorial, you will learn how to create and manage your own affiliate program directly within ClickFunnels so that you can build a network of promoters and boost your sales without paying for yet another software like Tapfiliate or PartnerStack. By the end of this video, you will be able to launch your affiliate campaign and start recruiting affiliates. One thing before we continue, if you don't have your ClickFunnels account yet, you can find a link to an extended 30-day trial instead of a regular 14-day trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link to create your ClickFunnels account, you will get our ClickFunnels course as a bonus. And if you're already using ClickFunnels, in the description you will find links to package deals that will help you save up to 44% on your subscription. Now let's dive in. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is to add the Affiliate Center app to your dashboard. To do that, click this plus icon, then select Affiliate Center and click on the card. Click Add App, and it will automatically suggest you to create a commission plan, because that's the first step that you need to do to set up your affiliate program in ClickFunnels. I will give this commission plan a name and select the color and also set it as default, and we will circle back to the settings of the commission plans a bit later. Now on the left here, you have the Affiliate Center section, and you can expand it, and you see all the sections that belong to the Affiliate Center setup. It may be a bit confusing, especially if you just start clicking through all the sections here. That's why I'm suggesting you to follow the flow in this video that will show you step by step what you need to do to set up your affiliate program in ClickFunnels. As mentioned before, the first step would be to set up your commission plan. We have already created one, and now we will just go to the settings of this plan by clicking on it and adjust the settings. Commission plan will define how much commission your affiliates will earn for promoting your products or services. In ClickFunnels, you can create different commission plans to cover various scenarios. For example, you may want to set a basic rate for all affiliates, offer higher rates to your best performing affiliates, or offer a different commission percentage for specific products. Let's overall create two plans. One of them will be the default plan. It's this one. It will have one tier and also include a product override. I will explain what it means. And the second plan will be a higher plan with two tiers. Alright, you can update the name of the plan if the name that you entered in the beginning is not fitting. Change the color, then go to the commission settings, click on the icon with three dots, click Edit, and in this window you will be able to define how much commission you want to pay to your affiliates, let's say 30%, and if you want it to be recurring or one-time commissions. Tier 2 is optional. You can use it to create more complex commission structures, such as increased rates for high-performing affiliates or for specific product categories, and if you don't need it, simply leave it at 0. Now, as mentioned before, I want this plan to have only one tier. We set it up with 30% recurring commission. Another thing that you can do is to set the product overrides, which means that you will set specific commission rates for individual products within a particular commission plan. And the product overrides will take priority over the default rate for this plan. Let's add one product override. You need to select for which product you want to have this unique commission, and then enter how much percent you want to pay for this product. Let's make it a one-time commission and click Create. So in this example, the default commission for our Gold plan affiliates will be 30%, but if they sell our main product, they will receive one-time 40% commission for this sale. Now let's go back and create the second plan. Click Create Commission Plan, give it a name, select the color. In this case, it's not a default commission plan because our Gold plan is a default one. And click Create. I want this commission plan to have higher commissions so that I can use it to pay higher commissions to, let's say, super affiliates, and also have two tiers. Let's set it up. In the commission settings, we click this three dots icon, click Edit. In the tier 1, I enter 40% and it will be recurring commissions. And I also add tier 2, let's say with 10%, and also recurring commission. Click Create. With a setup like this, whenever somebody signs up to be an affiliate for my products, they will be assigned the default Gold plan with 30%. You can see that it's a default plan. And if this affiliate has great results, I can then manually assign them Platinum plan. And in this case, they will receive 40% commissions instead of 30%, and also will receive commissions for the second tier referrals. The next step in the affiliate program setup in ClickFunnels is the creation of a funnel and a workflow for affiliate registration. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. ClickFunnels team has already done the most of the work for you. You can go to the overview section of the Affiliate Center and use the link that you see here to import the registration funnel to your ClickFunnels account and adjust it to your needs. On this screen, you just select which ClickFunnels account you want to use and into which workspace you want to import that funnel. Then the affiliate funnel will be imported into your account. It's a simple opt-in funnel. It has 2 pages, a sign-up page, we can preview it, and also the confirmation page. During the sign-up, the person will provide the contact information that you need to register them as your affiliate and also their PayPal email address for future payouts. The confirmation page will need some adjustment from your side. As you can see from the warning here, you first need to create a default commission plan, which we actually have already done, and after that delete this row. And people who apply to become your affiliate will not see this row because you will delete it. They will be able to copy their affiliate link to your product and start promoting your product as soon as you approve their application. Of course, if you want, you can also build a funnel like this from scratch. After setting up the registration page, you need to create a workflow that triggers the creation of an affiliate account once someone signs up. If you have imported the affiliate registration funnel from ClickFunnels, it already includes a pre-configured workflow. You can see it by the icon here. It's already attached to the right page. You can either click on this icon to manage the workflow or go to the Automations, Workflows, and you will find the workflow there. Let's quickly go over the steps of this workflow so you understand what's happening. Once again, we have our opt-in funnel where people enter their contact information to become your affiliate. Once they do that, the opt-in triggers this workflow. That's why in the workflow trigger, we have event type opt-in and then the funnel and the page that we have just viewed. The next step is to add a tag to people who sign up to become your affiliate. You can either delete this step if you don't need it or set the specific tag that will be assigned to the contacts. Click Update step. And the third step in this workflow creates an affiliate from a contact who opted in on that funnel. You also need to select the commission plan in the settings of this step and click Update step. With that, the workflow is set up, and you also should ensure that it's activated by toggling this on. And once again, when somebody opts in on the affiliate sign-up page, this workflow is triggered, the contact gets a tag assigned, in my case it's Gold Affiliate, and ClickFunnels automatically creates an affiliate in your affiliate center for this contact. Before we continue, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future videos. When that is done, what you need to do is enable and customize system emails for the affiliates. You can find system emails in the workspace settings, system emails, and then check the affiliate step. When system emails are enabled, newly registered affiliates will receive a welcome email and an approval email after their registration is approved by you. You can use this email to encourage your affiliates to bookmark the login URL. It's the URL to the affiliate dashboard for quick access in the future. This will save them time and effort when logging into the affiliate area later. And if you want, you can go to each of these emails and customize the text of the email. Then click Publish and Exit, and it will save the changes. Now, when somebody signs up to be your affiliate, you will see them in the affiliate section of the affiliate center. And then you can activate, in other words, approve this affiliate. In the settings of this specific affiliate, you can also add their PayPal email for future payouts. And in the Overview tab of the Affiliate Center, you may get a snapshot of your affiliate program performance. The next step we need to complete is to create an affiliate campaign to define a specific promotion for your affiliates. We go to the Campaigns, click Create Campaign, give this campaign a name. What are they going to promote in this campaign? You can add some description and also select the funnel. That's not your affiliate sign-up funnel, that's the funnel that sells the product that they're going to promote. If you want, you can hide this campaign from affiliates for now and enable it later. Also set the specific campaign date if the promotion is only available during a specific amount of time, and add URL to different assets. For example, if you have some graphics, some email swipes, or other materials that may be helpful to promote this product. After that, click Create Campaign. Then we need to add a commission plan. You can create a specific plan for this campaign. In my case, I will just use the default commission plan. Make sure that the changes are saved and then click Back. Now we have everything ready for your affiliates to start promoting your specific product. If you're curious to see how the affiliate dashboard will look like for your affiliates when they click the login link to the Affiliate Center, you can go to the Affiliate section, select one affiliate, and then click View Affiliate Dashboard. That's how the affiliate dashboard will look like for people who signed up to promote your products as an affiliate. They will see all their statistics and also will be able to grab their affiliate links to your products. In the tabs here, they will be able to see more detailed information about the commissions, trials, conversions, different campaigns, and also payouts. And that brings us to the last point that you need to consider when you create an affiliate program in ClickFunnels 2.0, payouts. If you go to the Overview section, you will see the Pending Payout section. In my case, it's 0 because I don't have a running affiliate program. This amount will include the total commission amount that you need to pay to your affiliates, and it will be both commissions that are still within a cool-off period and the ones that have already passed it. To prepare a payout, you need to click Prepare Payout. This action will move all the commissions past the cool-off period into the Payouts tab. This action applies globally to all eligible commissions, allowing you to prepare payouts for all affiliates at once. Once commissions have been moved to the Payouts tab, you will see a list of all pending commissions along with the affiliate's name, email, and the amount to be paid. Again, in my case, there is no information because I don't have any commissions that are ready to be paid out, but you can see an example in the screenshot from the Help Center article. Then you need to approve the commissions that are prepared for the payout. You can either do it one by one or bulk approve them. After that, they are ready for the payout. And there are multiple ways how you can handle payouts. You can do it manually or automate the process partially using PayPal. First of all, you can send the payout as a bank transfer, Wise or Pioneer manually and just mark the payout as paid. If you have your PayPal business account connected in the settings and also the PayPal account of the affiliate added, you will see a PayPal button next to the affiliate's name that will look similar to that. And once you click the PayPal button, you will be redirected to the PayPal's payment gateway to complete the transaction. And of course, make sure to review the payment details carefully before confirming any payments. That's all you need to do to create and manage your own affiliate program directly within ClickFunnels. With this awesome feature, you can build a network of affiliates and drive more sales without the need for additional tools. Don't forget, you will find the link to your extended 30-day ClickFunnels trial in the description below. Start it today and get free access to the ClickFunnels course that will help you shorten the learning curve with the platform. Thanks for watching, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future videos. See you in the next video.